teachers. Good morning, ma'am. Teachers, I hope finally we are here for a beautiful session, Happy Learning Class. How we can make our class happy. And we all are knowing that happiness is a very essential part of our life. Very wisely, a wise man has told that only a happy teacher can create a happy class. I think you all agree with the point? Yes. When we are happy, we feel full energy in our body. And energy very much compulsory for imparting the content in the classes. When we enter in the classroom with the smiley faces, our children automatically becomes happy. They also start to smile. And the whole of the class filled with the joy. Children appear like open-minded to listen to us. And we are also in condition of imparting our content in a happy mood and in a proper mood. So there are some certain features. How can we make our class happy? First of all, for that sake, first of all, we should cultivate some routine of meditation in our life. Some, if not more time, not more, but yes, few minutes to be dedicated for the physical exercises that will keep us motivated throughout the day. Third point, that we must have the positive attitude. We should see everything from the morning till evening, the positive aspect of the situation. So whenever we are going to the classroom, any child is sharing his problem, maybe any child is coming late in the class. So we are not going to be negating that why you are coming late, you used to come late, right? We should not stop to scold the child directly. Rather, we should peacefully ask with love that what the reason for being late. And peacefully we should note down, and in the free time we should contact to the parents, share the problem properly, suggest the child also to maintain the time. And in this way, by keeping our patient's level satisfied, good, we can make the parent also satisfied with our school performance, and we can get improvement in the behavior of the student also, and there will not be chaos in the classroom. So we must have patience and positive mood for solving any of the problems in the class in front of the children in the happy mood. That will also be a milestone for the creating the whole class as a happy class. Many of the children don't listen the chapters. Whenever you are writing on the board, you are trying to show the smart board. They are not attentive. They are busy for talking with each other, this and that. So for that sake, you will have to think that how should I concentrate the attention of all the children. So with love, smile, be silent and sit children just think. It's 40 minutes period. So I will give you 10 minutes today for talking with your friends. But yes, 30 minutes you have to concentrate to me. Listen to me attentively. Okay ma'am, sure they will listen to you. Because you have given them relax for sharing their views with their friends for 10 minutes. Right? So, as per your content department, you can give them 10 minutes, and in front of you they will not share any wrong thing, I think. They will feel happy at least that teacher is true to his words. And we are getting relaxed time. As much we try to hide anything, as much we try to conceal anything, right? Control anything, and more it gets increased, multiplied. So need to go in the root cause of the problem. And easy. Suppose that any parent come to you to meet to you, right? So maybe you have scolded the child, you have sent the notice for the fee reminder, or you have sent the notice the child is not bringing his notebook, his book as per the timetable, he is not bringing the lunch as per the menu. So maybe parents have also their parents have also their logic which they want to share with the teacher. They feel annoyed when they get the notice. If any parent is coming in the complaint mood, how should he be here? He should firstly take a long breath and he should think that how I have to reply the parent. First of all, feel confident that yes, I haven't done a lot and I have the points. If you like, you can go through some of the points of the Google also. You have proper data also, and then in front of the guardian. First of all, show yourself full confident and with smile only welcome the parent. Yes, sir. What the problem, sir? Right? When you are asking the parent with a smile, half of its anger will wipe away. Right? And then second point, whenever he started to complain, listen him peacefully to the last of his point. Listen him peacefully because he has got lots of complaints from the student side. All are full in his mind and heart. Now it's about to be come out. Right? He wants to bring it out in front of you. So if you have given the smiley gesture, so he thinks that you are now cool. So little bit in balance way he will pour every of the complaint and at last he will feel relaxed. Then he smile again and tells her now it's my point. Give your answer, give your points, give your logics in front of the guardian. I am very much sure, many times it happened with me. I am very much sure that at last he will go by saying you goodbye, I am shaking the hand. Right? Problem will be start out. And what was behind it? Your happy mood that made the guardian at last happy. So happy classroom is very essential part in academics for the teacher as well as for the child. And child comes to learn, so the sole duty goes to the teacher only to create a happy classroom. Thank you. Thanks a lot.